Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make your own disinfectant wipes. The supplies you'll need are some water and some paper towels, which I pre-cut to the size of my container, measuring cups in a cup and a half cup measurements, some scent. I use sweet orange, optional if you don't want to use it, and an airtight container. And then I have some broad spectrum disinfectant solution, and I got this from Home Depot, and this is kind of what we're going to be used as our disinfectant. So the first step is measure out a cup of disinfectant or rubbing alcohol, whatever you're using. And we're just going to put it in something big enough that you can mix it in, the whole solution in. And yeah. The next step is to take a half a cup of water and add that to our disinfectant. And then you're just going to want to mix that up. I'm using a plastic spoon, but you can use whatever you want. And then we're just going to go ahead and add some of our sweet orange scent, a couple drops, or how much it takes to get rid of that weird disinfectant smell. Okay, a couple more. And just make sure and smell it a little bit, not too much though, just so it's not over like intolerable smell. I'm just going to keep mixing that till we get the right smell or scent we like. And then we're going to take our paper towels, our container, and our mixture. And as you can see, the paper towel roll is still in here. When we try to put it in, it might not fit in your container. Well, at least for mine. So we're just going to try and take the cardboard center of our paper towel roll and just kind of push it out. This may take a little time to do because it is a bit hard. So what's easiest is to just push it in like that and then pull it out. Try to make sure that none of the toilet paper comes out, and you might have to rewrap it the outer layer a couple times just so it doesn't get too messy. And mine still didn't fit the best, so I did have to push it in a little bit. So it might not look perfect, but it still comes out pretty easily. And now we just have to find the center. If you can't find the center, try taking it back out of the container, and then it might be a little bit hard. But all you have to do is kind of almost dig in there to find the center. So it might be easier if you just take it out, because sometimes it might be stuck at the bottom, or it might just be you need the extra space in the middle so you can find it. And then once you have it out, you can just squish it back in and then pull out the middle. And once you have the middle out, you can just mix your solution once or twice a little bit more. And we're just going to evenly distribute this around the whole thing. Oops, I spilled a little bit. So we are going to distribute this, and we want it to soak a lot. And then we're just going to put the lid on and let it sit, and then we'll have some disinfectant wipes. So I'm just going to take this out, put on the lid. You might want to wait a few hours before you start using it so all the wipes have soaked. And that's our disinfectant wipes.